Today is Sunday, the 2nd of August 2026. We are near Bethesden with the Bethesden Country Flyers, and we have got this lovely aeroplane called Flying Fun.
Fun flyer.
A fun flyer.
Yes.
Brian is with me. He's a fun flyer means it can take off very quickly and obviously come down in a short runway space. So I'm going to record it as it decides to go. It's by remote. Yes.
Oh, got some speed to it.
It is now doing somersaults in the sky. Afternoon with the Bethesden Flying Club, and that is the fun flyer, and the horses didn't even notice them. They couldn't care less. Literally they couldn't care less. It's lovely.
Need to add some noise to that plane. Need to add some noise to that so that you get some attention.
Oh, lovely.
Looks like the kite I used to fly.
It's now going to show us its prowess.
Landing.
It's going to land. No, it's coming. Oh, yeah. So the fun flyer, good heavens, it hardly needs any space.
No, it doesn't.
That's the best bit. Hello. This is the... Oh, it's lovely to see you. Absolutely. Thank you for showing us that, Brian. And we are so grateful.
My pleasure.
Sunday, the 2nd of August, 2026. Repeating myself because the hay has to be, and the wheat has to be cut early this year because lack of rain, and if they had left it in the field, then the grain would have dried out. That's a train going. You can hear the wind rustling in the trees. Very warm day, 27 degrees Celsius. It's 5:30 in the evening. The pond water is very low, but there is still some water to drink. And that's the only water for miles around because the streams that feed the River Beult are all dry. So this was a wise decision taken over 20 years ago to dig this pond, thanks to Pauline, who was with, at that time, English Nature. Quiet English country lane in the afternoon, about 5:45 now. The trees and the bushes are all right, but the grass is all dry as a bone. I hope the rains come soon. Sun is now setting. The horses have been fed and they've gone away from the electric fence. It gives a small shock. It's really perfect weather, nice for camping. There are a few juniper berries, but nothing like it used to be. But at least this year, there are some juniper berries. They used to or still use it to put it in the gin. As you can see, this stream has totally dried up. Well, at least there is a little bit of water. This stream is always has flown. This is the first year. I just hope the rains will come next week. It's just frightening. So dry. A few more juniper berries. They look lovely, dark purple against the green, but not as many as they used to be. I could fill up about 10, 15, not 10, 5, 10 kilos from this little hedge, but no more.